Hello my shining stars. So today we are doing Learn and Solve Maths Class 5 by Children Voice publication. So let's start. So let's do chapter 3, multiplication and division. The number that is multiplied is called the multiplicand and the number by which we multiply is called the multiplier. The result we get after multiplication is called product. Division is the inverse of multiplication. Terms related to division are dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. So now warm up. The first one, multiply the following. So here we have to multiply this A part. This is very simple. See, so start from ones digit. 5 5s are 25. So what to do? Write here 5 and 2 carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. 2 here, 1 carry. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6. 5 6s are 30. 0 here, 3 carry. Then 5 5s are 25 plus 3 28. This is the answer. Similarly, you can try B part. Now come to second question. Divide the following and check your answer. Like A part here, 36,755 divided by 11. So we can't take 3 because 3 is smaller than 11. So we will take 2 digit 36. So 11 3s are 33. 3 as the quotient, right? Now minus kar denge. This is 3. Now take the next. This is 37. 11 3s are 33. Okay. Now minus kar denge. 4 is left. Take the next digit. 45. Now here 11 4s are 44. Now here 1 left. Take the next digit 5. So like this you can continue and just find the remainder. Similarly, you can try B part. Now we are talking about multiplication, properties of multiplication. The first one, the product of two numbers does not change when the order of the numbers is changed. Okay, जब हम numbers के order भी change कर देंगे, we will get the result same, right? Like 14 into 11 करें और 11 into 14, what is the result? Result is 154. The second one, the product of three numbers does not change when the grouping of numbers is changed. अगर हम थ्री नंबर्स की ग्रुपिंग चेंज करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, आंसर इज सेम. लाइक 16 मल्टीप्लाई 18 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 और लास्ट टू नंबर्स को फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई कर दें और फिर फर्स्ट नंबर से करें और वी कैन डू फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट नंबर देन मल्टीप्लाई बाय सेकंड नंबर, आंसर वुड बी सेम, राइट? ओके. द नेक्स्ट इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ए नंबर एंड वन इज द नंबर इटसेल्फ. अगर हम किसी नंबर को वन से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे you will get the same number. See, 818 into 1, 818 only, right? The fourth, the product of a number and 0 is 0. If you multiply any number by 0, that is 0 only. Okay, like 14 into 0 is 0 and 305 into 0 or 0 into 305, answer is 0, right? Now multiplication by tens, hundreds and thousands. Put as many zeros in the product as in the multiplier, then multiply by the non-zero part of the multiplier. For example, 22 multiplied by 10. तो हम 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, 10 में 1 0 है तो आंसर में हम 1 0 लगा देंगे. ओके, राइट साइड. सो 22 into 10, दिस इज 220. 18 into 100, so 18 and 0 0. 24 into 1000, 24 and 3 0. Now multiplication by a two-digit number. Example 1, multiply 7,65,482 by 26. So what to do? First arrange the numbers like this. Okay. Now we have two-digit number. So what to do? First multiply by ones digit. यानी 6 से multiply कर देंगे. So 6 2s are 12. 2 here, 1 carry. 6 8s are 48 plus 1 49. 4 carry. 6 4s are 24 plus 4 28. 8 here, 2 carry. 6 5s are 30 plus 2 32. 2 here, 3 carry. 6 6s are 36 plus 3 39. 9 here, 3 carry. 6 7s are 42 plus 3 45, right? Now multiply by 2 tens. So 0 here. अब 2 से multiply कर देंगे. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. 6 here, 1 carry. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. 2 5s are 10. 0 here, 1 carry. 2 6s are 12 and 1 13. 3 here, 1 carry, 2 sevens are 14 and 1 15. Now what to do? Just add these two. So this is the value. Okay, very simple, very easy, very interesting. Now the same way multiplication by a 3-digit number. So what to do? See example 2, multiply 1,84,275 by 225. It means by 3-digit number. So what to do? First multiply by 1's digit, यानी 5 से multiply करेंगे, we will get this. अब हम multiply करेंगे 10th digit से, so we will write here 1 0. Now multiply 2 से कर देंगे. Now multiply by 2 this 100 digit. So write here 2 zeros. Now multiply by 2. So now what to do? Add these. So this is the answer. Okay. So do the practice. This is very important. Right. Now multiplication using expanded form. When multiplier is a 3 or 4 digit number, we can use it in expanded form to make the multiplication process easy. हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Multiplier को expanded form में लिख देंगे and then we can do multiplication. See example 3. Multiply 1,95,631 by 224. So what to do? 224 से multiply करना है. How we can write it? 200 plus 20 plus 4. So my dear children, what to do? First multiply this number by 200. We will get this. Now multiply this number by 20. We will get this. And multiply this number by 4. We will get this. So now add all these products. So this is the answer. Okay. Now assessment 1. Question number 1. Write the product without actually multiplying. See B part. 3,170 multiplied by 100. So what to do? 3,170 last में 2 zeros. Okay. Same C part 57,682 multiplied by 100. तो last में 2 zeros. Okay. Now the second one multiply. You can try this one. Third one find the product. So what to do? Like B part here. Multiply this number by 200. तो हम क्या करेंगे? लास्ट में 2 0 लिख देंगे एंड मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय 2. So 2 zeros are 0, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10 and 1 11, 2 8s are 16 and 17. So this is the answer. Okay. So try such type of questions. Now the fourth one, multiply and write the product. You can try this one also. And the fifth, multiply using the expanded form of multiplier. Like B part, this number multiply by 84. So what to do? इस number को हम लिखेंगे and here 84 means 80 plus 4. Okay, then what to do? First multiply this number by 80 and then this number by 4. और जो भी वैल्यूज आएंगी दोनों को हम ऐड कर देंगे. ओके. सिमिलरली यू कैन ट्राई रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स. नाउ कम टू वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स. एग्जांपल, इफ द कॉस्ट ऑफ वन एलईडी टीवी इज रुपीज 1,82,437, then what will be the cost of 385 such LED TVs? So that would be more. More के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Multiply. So cost of one LED is given. Cost of 326 multiply by 385. So इन दोनों को multiply कर देंगे. This is the value. Now assessment to solve these word problems. A part, in a factory 34,56,249 pencils are produced every month. So how many pencils will be made in a year? So 1 year, 12 months. So in 1 month production of pencils this much, and in 12 months it would be more. इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Multiply 34,56,249 multiply by 12. You have to write the statement. Okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the next we are talking about division, properties of division. Before taking up the division sums, let us first review the important properties of division. The first one, when a non-zero number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. अगर हम किसी नंबर को उसी नंबर सेम नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं, we will get 1. Okay. The second, when a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. और अगर हम नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे, we will get that number only. Okay, like 22 divided by 1, 22. 281 divided by 1, 281. Now third one, when 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is 0. अगर हम 0 किसी नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे, you will get 0 only. And the fourth one, divisor into quotient plus remainder equals to dividend. This is the property, or this is the one result. Okay, so you have to keep in mind. Now dividing a 5-digit number by a 2-digit number. So example, divide this number 1,02,369 by 11. So first, we are dividing by 2-digit number, so we have to start with the 2-digit number, that is 10. But 10 is less than 11, तो हम 10 को 11 से divide नहीं कर सकते. So we will take 3 digit, it would be 102. So what to do? 102 divide by 11. You know the table of 11. 11 nines are 99. So 9 as the quotient. Okay, 99 here, minus कर देंगे, 3 left, take the next digit, this is 33 now, 11 3s are 33, minus कर देंगे, 0, take next, this is 6, 6 is not divisible by 11, so 0 here, take next, it becomes 69, 11 6 are 66, so remainder is 3 and the quotient is this much. Now how we can check our answer? We know dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. तो इन दोनों को multiply कर देंगे and plus 3. So this is the same value. It means our division is correct, right? Now see the next. Dividing a 7-digit number by a 3-digit number. See this number by a 3-digit number. तो 3-digit number से करना है. So we have to take 3-digit number, but this is 389, which is less than 458. तो हम लेंगे 4-digit number. So now we can do calculation. So we are getting, this is the quotient and this is the remainder. Now we can check our answer by the same way, dividend equals to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So we are getting the same number dividend. It means our division is correct. So remember, in practice we don't draw arrows while doing a division by long division method, right? Now assessment 3, question number 1, divide and check. Like here, B part, you can do division. 16,498 divided by 12. So 12 ones are 12. Now 44 we are getting. 12 threes are 36. Minus कर देंगे 8, 89. Now 12 sevens are 84. This is 58. Now 12 fives are 60. 12 fours are 48. So here we are getting 10 remainder and this is the quotient. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. ऐसे ही second question है, you can do it. Now third question, write the quotient and the remainder without actually dividing. Like B part, 78,905 divided by 10. See, हम 10 से divide कर रहे हैं, तो जो last digit है means one's digit is the remainder and the remaining digits, they are forming quotient. So this is the quotient, this is the remainder. If we are dividing by 100, then last two digits means ones and tens digit, that is the remainder and the quotient is remaining. 657 is the quotient and remainder is 80. That's why they are saying without actually dividing. See here, F part here we are dividing by 1000. So last three digits they are forming remainder and the quotient is this one. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. The next is word problems. Example, a box contains 225 balls. how many boxes are required to pack 6,63,750 balls? तो इतनी balls पैक करने के लिए हमें कितने boxes चाहिए? It means total number of balls this much, number of balls in one box 225, number of boxes required, total balls divided by 225. So division कर देंगे, we are getting this is quotient, remainder is 0. It means this boxes are required to pack the balls, right? So I hope this is clear to you. Assessment 4 now. Solve these word problems. First one, a customer paid rupees 8,500 for 250 notebooks. So find out the cost of one notebook. So one notebook की cost less होगी. It means division. So write the statement and do the division. 8,500 divided by 250. So you know 250 4s are 1,000, 250 3s are 750. So now it means cost of one notebook is rupees 34. Okay. The second one, a bus can accommodate 70 people. How many buses will be required to transport 1,56,800 people? So number of buses. So 1,56,800 divided by 70, right? So the one thing you can do, आप 1010 cancel कर सकते हैं. So what is left? 7 here and 10 less. Now divide it. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. 7 4s are 28 and this 0 as it is. So 2,240 buses will be required. Okay. Similarly, you can try third question. Now the next is estimating the product and the quotient. We have learned rounding of a number to a certain place. Here we shall learn to find estimated product and quotient. See example 1. Find the actual and estimated product of 1,125 and 795. So first find the actual product. You know very well how to multiply these two numbers. This is the value. Now estimated product. So this is 1,125. So this is nearest 100, 1,100 and 795. This is 800. दोनों को multiply कर देंगे. This is the estimated product. Now example 2. A bus costs rupees this. Estimate the cost of 8 such buses. So a bus costs 3,85,617. It means around 4 lakh. So estimated cost of one bus is 4 lakh. So estimated cost of 8 buses multiply by 8, 32 lakh, right? So remember, we do not round off a one digit number. Okay. Now the next is example 3. Estimate the quotient. A part 2,985 divided by 215. So 2,985, it is around 3,000 divided by 200. So हम क्या करेंगे? ये 2020 cancel कर सकते हैं. 30 divided by 2, answer is 15. Okay. Now assessment 5. Question number 1. Estimate the following products. Here B part 315 multiplied by 5,906. So 315 around 300, 5,906 around 6,000. So multiply 18 and 5 zeros, right? Similarly, like third question, the cost of a table is rupees 580. Estimate the money Anjana should have to buy 192 tables. So rupees 580 is the cost of one table. It means cost of one table is rupees 600. And Anjana should have to buy 192 tables, means around 200 tables. So what is the amount she has to pay? This much. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to next, we are talking about average. Average is calculated by adding all the given quantities and then dividing by the number of quantities. You know, average means sum of all the quantities divided by total number of quantities means addend. See example 1. In 6th section of class 5th, there are 48, 44, 45, 47, 50 and 42 students. What is the average strength of each section? So average means sum of total number of students divided by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 6. So sum divided by addends. So 276 divided by 6, that is 46. Now assessment 6 here. Question number 1, find the average of, like A part, add all the numbers and divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, very simple. Now see the third question. The heights of girls in a group are 153 centimeter, 160 centimeter and 165 centimeter. Find the average height. So what will you do? Sum of the heights. So sum of heights, add all these three numbers. What will you get? 6, 6, 12 and 5, 17, 1, 2, 3, 4, 478. So average is 478 divided by 3. So we can find it, okay. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now simplification. Simplification, in certain sums we need to perform multiple mathematical operations. You know the operation addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You also know the operation called OF. 2 of 10 means 2 times of 10 means 2 multiplied by 10, that is 20. So when there are brackets in simplification sum, the order in which the operations are to be done is given by BODMAS. BODMAS. B means brackets, O means of, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition and S means subtraction. So if they are brackets within brackets, simplify within the inner brackets first. So see here example 1. Simplify 125 plus 5 of 16 multiply 50 minus 32 bracket. So according to rule we have to solve first bracket. So bracket के अंदर क्या है? 50 minus 32, this is 18 and the rest number as it is. After bracket solve of means multiply. After bracket solve of, 5 of 16 means 5 multiply 16, that is 80. So 80 multiply 18 and this number as it is. Now after this we have to solve BODMAS, no division. So multiply solve करेंगे, इन दोनों को multiply कर दें. This is the value. Now addition, दोनों को add कर दें. This is the answer. So very interesting. Now see assessment 7. Like here, D part 15 multiply 20 bracket 12 minus 2. So first solve the bracket. 15 multiply 20. 20 is outside the bracket means multiply है. 20 multiply by 10 because 12 minus 2 is 10. So now multiply all. So this is 3000. Okay. So similarly you can try like E part here. We have this curly bracket and the small bracket. So first solve the inner bracket. So this bracket as it is, 10 into 120 minus 110, 10 minus 30. Now solve this bracket, 100 minus 30, answer is 70. Okay. Similarly, you can try these MCQs and think smarter, critical thinking, experimental learning and aptitude reasoning. I hope the concept is very much clear to you. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us for more videos. Stay happy, stay blessed.